Hey guys, my name is Sabasif and welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this look right here, a very sultry glam makeup look using all Sephora products. Now I am in the Sephora Squad. For those of you who don't know, recently I became one of the members of the Sephora Squad. It was like the whole competition kind of a thing where my followers left me testimonials, and also based on my content and stuff, they choose who gets to be a part of the Sephora Squad, and I'm one of the members. So they did send me like a welcome kit sort of thing. It's a huge bag of makeup products from Sephora, which I'll show you guys in a bit. I don't even know if I can fit it in this video, but yeah. It's like this and it's filled with makeup products. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I've not used on my face so you guys can see what other products I received. The first item here is this Grwm Healthy Hair Game. So you have like a deep conditioner, a mist, a mask, all of that goodies, and yeah, I haven't used this, so I'm definitely so excited to try this one out. Next, we have the Sephora Facial Roller Kit. This is how it looks. It has two different heads, a pouch, and like one rose one. It's so cute. This is going to be so handy for all your facials during quarantine. Next, we have this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Gloss Bomb. You have this Gloss Bomb Lip Duo. This is in the shade Sweet Mouth, and this is in Fenty Glow. And that is how it looks. We have two products from the Sephora skincare line. We have the vitamin C serum and the salicylic acid clarifying lotion. So I'm super excited because both of these I use from different brands. So I'm so excited to try from Sephora. Sticking to the same skincare topic, I also got this Power Couple kit from Sunday Riley. You get the Good Genes lactic acid treatment and you get the sleeping night oil. This is a retinol and I already own this set and I bought this myself like a year ago and it's amazing. It's so good for someone who is maybe in their 30s or like 21 and above, for anti-aging, pores, dullness, all of that stuff. This kit is really good. I also received two perfumes from them. One is from Grwm and the other one is YSL perfume. Both of these smell divine. Like they're so freaking good. I love the YSL one. It just smells, I wish you guys can smell it. Like go and test it out in Sephora. They smell really good. So those were the products that I haven't really used on my face right now. But yeah, it's time. Let's just jump into the video. So let's start off with the primer and move on to the foundation. Excuse my voice if it sounds a little heavy because I just woke up. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. So the first item that I got from my Sephora welcome kit for the Sephora Squad is this Sephora Favorites Prep Set and Go. So this is how it looks. It has your Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, Hourglass Primer, Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, Cover FX Highlighter, and a Beauty Blender. So I'm going to be using this Hourglass primer and we'll move on, and I'll be using this blender for now. The primer feels smooth. I don't know what it's supposed to do. It just says it's a mineral primer. So let's just see how it works out. And it also has an SPF 15, which is a A+ for me. Okay guys, moving on to foundation. Now this was the step that was not given by the Sephora welcome kit. So I'm just going to use something that I already own. This is the Nars So this is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade Barcelona. So now I'm just using the electric beauty blender from the Sephora Favorites kit. This foundation is a full coverage foundation, and if you've been on my channel for a while, you'll know that I am obsessed. I love this foundation. It has a radiant finish, so it's not too dewy, not too matte, which is what I love. So yeah, literally, look at that. Now we're going to move on to concealer, and again, this step is not sent by them, but I already own it. So I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You guys already know it. It's really good. It's really bomb. It's full coverage. Lasts very long on your skin. I'm using it in the shade medium. Going back to this Sephora Prep Set and Go kit, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Guys, for contour, I'm using the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. It looks a little like off and not pretty because I've had it for a while, and again, this is not gifted to me by Sephora. I already own it. So this is how it looks. I'm using this Sephora brush from the brush set. Okay, eyebrows are done. Now we're gonna move on to our eyes. For eyes, I'm using this Sananas X Sephora eyeshadow palette. It's a very beautiful palette. You have like these bunch of colorful, neutral, and basically mix of tones. So I'm gonna be playing with this side of the palette because this is sort of what I do usually. So I am planning to do like a very nice sultry look. So yeah, it includes the shades here and this neon pink. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna go in with this neon shade here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm using the Sephora crease. Wow, that is so pigmented. And I love this brush, by the way. It's so nice. So yeah, now that we have the neon in our crease, I'm gonna go in with a darker, deeper shade, which is this reddish brown shade here. And I'm gonna put that in my crease as well. This is just so it can deepen the crease, you see? Like, just deepening it up. Moving on. The second last shade I'm using is this black shade, and that I'm gonna be putting in my outer edge and a little bit in my crease, but this is basically just to darken the shades up. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. For my lower lash line, I'm just using the Tarteist black eyeliner. I'm using the kajal side, and I'm gonna be lining my waterline with this. I'm just gonna be putting the same crease shades in my lower lash line. Now I'm just using the from this Too Faced The After Party is the Party kit. I get this makeup bag. Inside this makeup bag, I get this Too Faced Better Than Love Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Liner, the Better Than Love Mascara, and the Lip Injection Extreme Gloss, like the plumper. So I get these three items in this bag, and the bag is such good quality. I really love it. is insane. What the hell? This one is in the shade Moonlight. For lipstick, I did receive this Sephora kit. You have a lip liner and you have a lip stain. This is my favorite formula of liquid lipstick in all the formulas that I know of. Anyways, this is in the shade Marvelous Mauve. So it's a mauvey shade, which is not gonna go in with this look. So I'm just gonna go and grab a nude liquid lipstick and be right back. So first I'm gonna go in with Ashton by Anastasiya Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna be mixing it with Girlfriend by Huda Beauty. Alright you guys, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look using all Sephora products. If you guys do enjoy my videos and you do enjoy my vibe, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.